What's going on, guys? This is the free RB25. It's called the free RB25 because we bought a car that had it with it and kept the engine, took some parts off it, sold it, and sold the car. So we just have the engine now. We actually made some money on this motor by just like selling like a Gretty intake manifold and stuff like that. But we've already got 3 of the cylinders out, so I figured we could start recording and look at some of the shit that we're doing. I loosened the 4th piston, and typically what I'll do is I will loosen it, hit the top, it pops down a bit, and I can take these nuts off, take the cap off, and then push the piston out through the opposite side. Pull the bearing out. Looks like it's got some like heat marks. Doesn't look, there's a little bit of scoring on that one, but we'll see if that's actually caused any damage on the crankshaft. Hopefully it didn't.
Yeah.
I'd rather just polish the crankshaft than have to get it machined. So yeah, I'm gonna just push this piston out through the bottom and should be Gucci. Here's this one. Kind of the same thing, just a ton of oil. Little scratch on that, nothing crazy bad, but a lot of RB25s, when they get like over boosted, they'll get cracks between the rings here. So it's called like the ring glands will crack in between it, and this whole piece will crumble. It'll look like this piston here. It'll just crumble into bits. And this is an SR20 piston, but they do the same thing. They just crumble. So we're gonna end up hopefully selling these and buying CB forged pistons instead of these things. So Mary wants to attempt to get a piston out, so we're gonna have her take the 5th cylinder out and see how it goes. There you go.
I still have to take it.
No, you're not gonna break it. It's okay.
And do the next one?
Yeah. There you go. So now just pull that cap off. Just this whole cap.
Does it come off completely?
Yeah, just pull it off completely, the top part. Oh, bearing is still in there.
How can you tell?
This one, you can tell the bearing's still in there because it's this piece of metal that right here.
Oh, because that didn't come off.
No, all the other ones got stuck on here, but this one looks, it looks buggered up, but it's just corrosion. You made it. Got it?
Woo! It's a boy.
Taking the last one off now.
You're 30 seconds to my 2, probably maybe 5 minutes.
Done this a lot. Alright, last one.
It's a girl.
Doesn't look too bad. The piston doesn't look cracked, but we'll take off camera. I'm gonna take like a deeper dive into these, make sure none of these are cracked. So I don't want to sell somebody a cracked piston or anything, but I'll clean them all up a lot, make sure there's no cracks and all that. But it doesn't look terrible, so that's good. So now that we got all the rods and pistons out, we can start taking the crank out. We gotta take the bolts to the girdle off. This is the girdle that holds the crank in. We're gonna take it from inside out. We're gonna do these ones in the middle, and these ones, and these ones, and these ones, these ones, these ones, these ones, blah, blah, blah. Loosen them up slow at a time, and then we will take the girdle off. I'm gonna actually have to take this rear cover off, or whatever this thing's called. I'm gonna take that off, and then the crank can actually come out after that. What does that smell? You smell that?
Yeah. So like it's coming from the engine, yeah. Stinky.
It smells like fucking sulfur.
That's also like electricity burn when you smell sulfur and eggs, they say.
Turn that off. So, slight little pause, mishap that we just had. Turns out the little space heater we had there was plugged into a extension cord, and the cord started catching on fire. So we unplugged it, and yeah, we'll just freeze our ass off in here instead. I'd rather that than catch on fire. What?
This looks funny.
I'm jacking it.
Yeah.
Alright, rear main seal is out. I don't know what the hell this is. Rear main seal is out, and there's a broken razor blade in the rear main seal.
Where?
That is a razor blade. 100%. Come over here and look. Look at that. There's a broken razor blade in the rear main seal right here. You can see the section of the blade and everything. What an idiot. Glad that thing didn't slice the shit out of me. Let me flex to like 3 snap-on tools that I own.
Ah.
Yeah, look at that. It's like a razor blade.
A sacrifice to the RB gods.
The RB gods love me. Been so true to them. If they don't, them. So here are where the main bearings will be. This one looks kind of smoked. I don't recall one bearing looking like that. This one's not great either, but hopefully the crank is in good condition, because that's like the #1 part of this engine that we're keeping, other than the block, obviously.
Ooh.
And it doesn't look like there's any sort of damage on it. I mean, just a bunch of oil. We'll take it to the machine shop and see what they say, but all of them look pretty good on the crank, which is nice. Hopefully it stays that way. And the rest of these, they look kind of fine, honestly, so doesn't look too bad. I'm gonna pull all these out, I'll flip it over, and we'll look at the cylinders real quick. Every cylinder has looked pretty good. Cylinder 2 here has like a little, it's nothing scored, but there's like burn marks. You probably have to come over here to see it. You can see at the bottom here, there's like some burning, that black spots there. Nothing crazy. I mean, you can hone that out. There's no, I don't feel anything on it, so should be okay. But overall, the engine is disassembled. The only thing we have to take off now is the oil squirters on the bottom. I'm not gonna bore you with that, but we're gonna throw the RB25 pistons and rods up for sale on eBay. If you need them, look up Red Bangers YT on eBay. You can buy them. So if any of you guys are a dealer with CP pistons or Manly rods or Tomei or any of these companies, hit me up. I'm trying to work out some sort of deals where maybe if you're a dealer or something, maybe we can make a deal and I can get this engine built for relatively cheap. Hopefully I can sell these pistons, get some of the money to put into this thing, and we'll see what else we're gonna have in our giant parts corner over there, what else we can sell just to make some money for this engine. So if you like the video, like it, share it, and we will see you in the next one.